Good morning everyone and welcome to today's video, today's vlog. Got up this morning around 7 o'clock, went to the gym, did about 35 minutes of fasted cardio and then abs. I did not record the routine because it's pretty much the same routine that I already showed you guys, but if you guys want to see the ab routine and the cardio routine, just comment down below and I'll be sure to make sure I record that for you guys, alright? So meal number one, aka breakfast for this morning, we are going to have 1 scoop of Nitro Tech 100% ISO whey. This is going to give us 25 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of carbs, 0 grams of sugar. And then I have a packet of oatmeal, which is about a half a cup. And then with this meal, I'm going to have a probiotic, I'm going to have a multivitamin, and I'm going to have my fish oil. So this is meal number one. Do not mind these pies. Do not mind those pies, guys. I'm going to go ahead and have this meal. This actually makes day 2 being back from Miami from the wedding experience, which was amazing, guys. We'll talk more about that later on throughout the vlog, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys meal number one, and we're gonna go ahead and get this day started. For meal number 2, we are going to have 1 cup of jasmine rice from Whole Foods. We're also going to have 1 serving of grilled asparagus, and we're going to have roughly about 6 ounces of grilled chicken. And you can get this grilled chicken right here, guys, from Trader Joe's. Very, very handy if you're someone that's pushing for time and you don't have time to cook your food or your chicken. You can buy this already. It's grilled, it's sliced, and all you have to do is weigh it out. For this, for all my meals, you're going to need a food scale, because this is very, very important, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna weigh out 1 serving of rice, 1 cup of rice, and we're gonna weigh out 6 ounces of chicken. And I don't really weigh out my vegetables, but you can if you want to. So any opportunity I get to heat my food up over the pan or over the stove, not over the pan, but over the stove on a pan, I try to do that, guys. It actually makes it taste a little better, because eating out of Tupperware, especially when you microwave food, sometimes it can be very, very bland and it's hard to stay on track. So basically what I did was I cut up the chicken in real small pieces. I cut up the asparagus. I sprayed a little bit of canola oil in there. And this is the canola oil that I use. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. Sprayed a little bit in the pan, let the pan get real hot. And all we're doing is pretty much like sauteing everything up, and we're just gonna put it over this bed of rice, guys. And that's one simple thing you could do to make your meals very, very tasty. And there you guys have it. Meal number 2 for today. Very clean, very lean, and this will actually give meal number 3 as well. Round 2, we're back at the gym, training back, biceps today. This is where the sacrifice and dedication comes in, y'all. If you want that physique, you gotta put in that work, point blank period. And sometimes it takes multiple sessions a day to make sure you meet the objective. So round 2, gonna bring you guys some footage, some clips of what we're gonna be training today, and hopefully you guys can apply that to your journey, to your daily workout routine. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we're back from the gym and we're getting ready to have meal number 3 for the day. Yeah, 3 for the day. And we're gonna have 2 scoops of Nitrotech 100% ISO whey. Just gonna give us 50 grams of protein, and then I'm gonna have a slice of this apple pie, guys, from Whole Foods. So I'm gonna have this, and then we're gonna talk about this meal. All right, y'all. So before we conclude the video, I just want to take a moment to talk about nutrition and dieting and how important I believe it is for you guys to take some time and learn your body, man. So after my workout, I had a protein shake and also had a slice of apple pie. And I know a lot of you are probably like, why are you eating apple pie right after your workout? And it's a great question, guys. At the end of the day, I've spent a few years now learning my body, understanding my body. I know my metabolism, and I know how I can incorporate foods I like in my diet and still be able to burn fat, lose weight, whatever the case may be. And that's something I didn't learn overnight, guys. You know, that's something you have to learn by experimenting with different diets, different foods. And that's why I truly believe that you should take some time and learn your body, learn your physique, learn what your body don't like, learn how your metabolism works, learn when the best time to eat a cheat meal, stuff like that, because having that information is like almost having a cheat code to your body, guys. And a lot of people don't have that information. So when they start these diets, they're either doing these crash diets or they're on these diets and nothing's happening because maybe the foods they're eating is not working, you know. So that's why I think it's very important to learn your body, as far as learning what your body likes food-wise, learn your metabolism, and then therefore you can work on incorporating the foods you like into that diet. I know some people who will eat just chicken and vegetables and do tons of cardio and still won't lose they may lose a little bit of fat, but they're not gonna lose a lot of fat, and actually they're burning more muscle because they're not learning their body. They think that cutting down to just meat and veggies and doing tons of cardio and working out is going to be the key, and it's not, guys. That may work for some people, but that doesn't work for 90% of the people. It just depends on your genetics and everything. For me, you know, I took a week off from my diet. I left for Miami, and I was 185 pounds while I was in Miami for my wedding. I pretty much maintained my cardio every morning, and I was pretty much eating whatever I want every day. I wasn't eating like junk food all day, but I had like pretty much cheat meal or a couple cheat meals a day. And I only put on 3 pounds, which 3 pounds is not bad because I would give 1.5 pounds of that is probably just sodium and water weight. And that's because I know my body. I know how to incorporate cheat meals. I know how to time the cheat meals. I know when to, you know, maybe step up the cardio just a little bit to keep my metabolism going. And I know when I'm gonna have these cheat meals, I need to drink a lot of water. Like for me, I need to drink a ton of water if I'm eating junk food. And that's just things you have to learn about your body, guys. This is all a process. It's all science. It's all just learning. So I just wanted to share that with you guys without taking too much of your time. And I want you guys to understand that. And my assignment for you and homework for you, I want you to take some time to learn your body. Start with a clean diet. Just clean up your diet, right? Think about all the foods you like. You know, think about all the clean carbs you like, clean vegetables you like, and lean protein sources that you like. Build a diet. Start off with a diet, building a diet based off of all of those foods. All right. What I want you guys to try to do is know how you feel when you eat these foods. If you feel full, if you feel bloated, if you feel really good, if you feel like you're having a hard time using the restroom, because that plays a part in eating some foods. And I know it may sound disgusting, but it's true. Like prime example, I love Brussels sprouts, but I learned throughout my prep, they like stop me up. Like I get constipated, so I had to remove those out of my diet. I like them, but if I eat a lot of them, I get stopped up. And these are things you have to make note of. Red meat, I cannot do a ton of red meat. You know what I'm saying? So I want you guys to build a clean diet off the food you like, and then start taking notes of how you feel. Start removing foods, maybe putting foods in different parts. Try to put your carbs before your workout and after your workout, and just see how you guys feel, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, subscribe, comment if you're new to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you like these videos, hit the subscribe button. Also guys, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit that thumbs up button because it goes a long way. And that being said, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here because we're gonna start a new video. Until next time, guys, peace.